Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to focus on batch features found only in the Extreme version of Bluebeam Revu. You can find out which version you're using by going up to the Review menu in the upper left corner of Bluebeam Revu and going down to About. A window will pop up here, what version you have up here. The next one we'll show is our batch overlay. If you're not familiar with the overlay, let's just do the same folders real quick. The original's up there, and the revision 2. Match those again. They found each other and made sure that they matched up. This time I'm going to go to my overlay pages folder and say OK. And that's going to run. Ask me if I want to put a report in there again. Just for documenting purposes, when revisions come through, it might be a good idea to run a detailed report and put that in that comparison folder. I'm just going to cancel that, jump out to my folder again, to my overlay pages. And here, I'm just going to open up one of them, and you can see what's different between those drawings. So it puts those on top of each other, just like an old light table, shows you the differences. If you go to the Layers tab, you can turn each version on and off, so you can see what's on this one and what's on that one, and then, of course, how they correlate with each other, overlaid on top of each other. So that is our batch overlay pages. I hope you all took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's batch tools. If you recognize the time-saving value of these batch tools, reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.